Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Volvo C30 door panel. First, gather your tools. You will need a nylon trim tool, a T25 Torx driver, and possibly a small flathead screwdriver. Always ensure your vehicle is turned off and the key is removed from the ignition for safety. Remember to proceed with caution, as many components are plastic and can be brittle. Taking your time will prevent accidental damage to your door panel or interior. Next, we will begin by removing the trim pieces. Use your nylon pry tool to gently remove the inner plastic portion located inside the door handle, behind the aluminum trim. Push the tool up from the bottom and pry it out. Then, go around the outer edge of the aluminum trim, prying upward to disconnect its clips. Once this trim is off, you will find two T25 Torx screws. Remove these to proceed. Now it is time to detach the main panel. Go around the perimeter of the door panel, feeding your trim tool between the door metal and the panel to disconnect the clips. Start from a corner and work your way around. Once the panel is loose, disconnect the electrical connector for the window switch. Then, unclip the door latch cable, rotate it 90 degrees, and slide it out. Finally, disconnect any other electrical connectors, such as for the tweeter speaker. With all clips and connections released, you can now carefully lift the door panel upwards and away from the door. Inspect the door and panel for any clips that may have remained in the door frame. Remove and reattach them to the panel for proper reinstallation. Reassembly is simply the reverse of these steps. Ensure all electrical connectors and cables are properly reconnected. Before fully snapping the panel back into place, test your power windows and door locks to confirm everything functions correctly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.